Hi, everyone. Welcome to your yoga practice. My name is Cali. Today, a feel good flow. We'll keep it very simple. We will try to let go of our thinking mind and simply focus on our body awareness and breath awareness. So let that be your intention to move, to connect with your body and your breath. Let's meet in a tabletop in cat and cow. And let's just start off right here, just spreading the fingers out, tucking the toes, kind of shifting back and shifting forward. Just being gentle there in the wrist. As you shift backwards, stretch the toes, push your way through the hands. And you can start to explore going a little more expansive here. Adding circles, going the other direction, going back. And we'll take a nice child's pose here, shifting backwards, untuck the feet. Let the forearms rest as well as your chest and forehead. Elongate those arms, relax your shoulders. Allow yourself to arrive in this pose, arriving physically and mentally, and tune to that breath. Let it be calm, let it be complete, and stay for one more long breath. When you're ready, let's meet into that tabletop. And let's get into our spine here. So we'll arch our back. We'll start off cow pose here. We'll inhale. And as you exhale, round your back. And if it helps, I want you to close your eyes and tune into that pelvis and the rest of your spine, making it smooth and wavy. And we'll just explore from here. Right, notice what needs some attention, low back, stomach, your neck. And when you're ready, I want you to add anything that just feels good here. Okay, so organically shift side to side, your shoulders, your neck, your hips. And find a pose that you need right here. Cat or cow. Hold it. Pause. One breath here. And let's meet in that tabletop there. Walk your legs back. We'll meet with the left foot outside your hand. Okay, so take a big step there. Go ahead and lift your spine into a low lunge here. You feel that right thigh stretch. Elongate those arms, then relax the shoulders. Another breath. And exhale, let's place our palms down, okay? Go ahead and move here. Explore into your left leg, right leg. And sometimes I'm going up, down. Sometimes I'm going circular. And then let's bring our left leg back and right foot forward. Big step. Low lunge here. Breathe into your legs. Now inhale into your spine, into your arms. And exhale, place your palms down. Okay, let's explore this side here. Start to shift where you need to. And let's check in with the right foot. If you're pressing down, try not to resist it, fight it. Right? Breathe in that space, especially leaning in that angle. Now lean to your left, bring your right leg back, scoot the legs forward here. Let's get into our tabletop twist here. Right hand, place it under your shoulder. Lift up your left arm as you inhale. Feel that long line happen right here through the bottom arm and above. Another breath. And on your exhale, let's thread your arm through. Okay, go ahead and sweep it all the way. Rest on your left shoulder, left side of your face, on the cheek, and then your right arm can shoot out forward. Just feel a gentle twist here in your spine. Continue, let the breath guide you. Stay steady with the breath. Now place your hand down and bring yourself back up. Left hand under the shoulder. Inhale, lift up right arm. Gentle press below, but stacked shoulder, elbow, wrist. Lengthen, inhale. Exhale, thread your arm through. Settle with the left arm. Feeling a double stretch in the shoulders. And start to place your left hand down, slide it below, push yourself back up, and find yourself walking your legs forward or shifting backwards into your natural seat here. Take a moment here, sit tall, and see if you need to support yourself with your hands on the sides. Breathing into your legs, into your ankles, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your facial muscles, nothing forced here. Stay for one more breath. When you're ready, we'll start to open up the eyes and let's meet on your back. Go ahead and start to lay on your back. All right, some of the good stuff right here. We'll hug our right knee into our chest. Go ahead and move what you need to your ankle. Your toes can flex, your feet can flex. Just explore, of course. And we'll set up for that twist. Hold it with your left hand. Bring your right arm out and roll on your left hip. And don't worry about your leg touching the ground. Just try to keep your right shoulder, left shoulder down. Bring your right hip down. Straighten out your right leg. Grab your thigh, calf, or ankle. If you happen to have a towel or strap, place it in your foot. And just feel a gentle stretch in that hamstring, the back of your leg. You can control with the pull, with your arms, with your grip. Start to relax your leg here, bend it, And straighten out your leg. Hug your left knee in. And move that ankle, flex your foot. Right hand holding the left leg, left arm out. Start to roll on your right hip. And settle into your shoulders for your hip side spinal twist here. Left hip down. Start to straighten out your left leg and hold what you need to. Getting into that back of your leg. Bend your left leg and hold also your right leg, bringing both knees in. And let's massage your back here. And there's a nice sweet spot we can hold right here. So find it. So hugging a little deeper and then breathe from your belly. Inhale. Focus on your mid back as you hug your legs in and exhale into that space there. Good. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. Good. Let's start to bring your feet up in the air into happy baby pose. You're going to melt the shoulders, melt your low back, and feel your hips, feel your hamstrings right here. Let's breathe in that space. And if it feels good, yeah, rock side to side, massage your back. And you may already start to feel it and notice how your nervous system's a little more calmer as we shift it on our back, as well as tuned into that breath with our movement. Now we'll lower the feet down. You can bring the feet, the feet to the sides of the mat there. Let your arms kind of spread out, and then just feel the legs fall left and fall right. And just gently going into that internal rotation of your hip from the opposite side there. And just a gentle press. You may feel into your low back and some of the stomach there. Now let's bring our feet together. You're going to bring the bottom of your feet together, your soles, and place the legs out and open like a book. Go ahead and rest your arms where you need to, by the sides, overhead, on your hand on your heart and belly. Feel that natural rise and fall of your belly, chest. And take a moment to ground yourself. Feel that root chakra, your base of your tailbone, pressed into the earth. Breathe into that space there. Without contemplating on it, just allow what you feel or see. Ask yourself, what do I feel when I am grounded? When you feel grounded mentally, when you feel grounded physically. And start to let your arms just to your sides. Start to straighten out your legs into your Shavasana here. So palms up to receive or palms down to feel more grounded once again. Start to let the toes turn out, settle into those shoulders, completely let go into your body. Let your awareness spread. Let your breath be your guide, guiding you deeper to be more calm, relaxed, and still. Take a moment of gratitude here. Bring your mind's eye to your heart space. Welcome what you feel or see as you ask yourself, what am I grateful for? And when you're ready, we'll start to bring our awareness back into our body. Add a little movement. You can lengthen the breath and go ahead and start to bend the legs. Roll over to your left or right side, meeting in a fetal position. And taking a moment to pause, notice anything you've cultivated through your practice. Take with you anything that may have resonated. And when you're ready, bring yourself to a seated position and go ahead and sit up as tall as you're comfortable with, relaxing your shoulders, feeling that alignment of your spine. We'll bring our hands to heart center here and we end our practice, bringing our chin down as we bow. Align me to align each of you. Namaste. All right, everyone. Hope that was a great practice for you. Please repeat the video anytime, any moment, and maybe share something on anything you felt during the class. All right, we'll see you in another video, everybody. Thank you so much.